on YouTube? Welcome back to the House Money Investor channel. In today's video, we're going to go over a little bit of crypto movement. We're going to look at a couple stocks that I bought, and I got a bunch of great stock picks for you guys. If you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell if you want to follow my journey. Hit the description below if you want to read about what this channel is all about, see how much money I've made when I started the channel, etc., etc. Got 4 affiliate links if you want free stocks, free shares. Hit those links, as well as social media platforms are in the description. Follow me on any social media platform, as I do post daily in regards to crypto and stocks. This here is the thumbnail to my last video. If you want to check it out, I'd really appreciate that. Give me some views on there. Hit the like button, help spread the the videos, and let's get into it. With today's stock picks, I'm not going to go in too much in detail. I'll give you a brief overview of some, or maybe my bull thesis. I'm not going to pull up financials and all that stuff. I would encourage you to do your own due diligence if these are stocks you consider buying. First, we got VET. This is Cryptocurrencie. VET. As you can see, we have 472 tokens, and it's valued at $37.79. I believe this is Polkadot, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, getting into the stock picks. We got Costco for you guys, ticker COST. Now keep in mind, most of these, or if not all of these stocks, I already own in my long-term portfolio, and as well as in my house money accounts. Costco is a great company. It's a recession-proof company. It's something that stayed open during the pandemic. They sell a lot of consumer goods, a lot of stuff that people need to survive, and a lot of stuff people buy, daily, weekly, monthly. Products that we all use every day is sold at Costco. So definitely a great long-term investment. As you can see, over the past 5 years, it is up a nice 114%. Next, we got Target, ticker TGT. Very, very, very great dividend stock. Can't say that enough. It's a consumer staple, sort of like Costco, basically the same realm. Target's a very great business, great fundamentals, great balance sheets, and like I said, you get some great dividend income with the Target in your portfolio. And as you can see, it's been performing well, up over 120% over the past 5 years. Next, we got ticker PH, Parker Hannifin. This is another great dividend stock. Massive growth over the last 5 years. These 5 dividend stocks that I'm showing you, which is going to be S&P Global, American States Water, Sherwin-Williams, PH, and Target, right? These 5, if you would have put $5,000 into these 5 stocks, or these 5 dividend stocks back in 1991, you put $5,000 in here and didn't touch these stocks, didn't invest anymore, didn't do anything but let the dividend compound, your $5,000 would be worth $1 million now. So yes, you can turn $5,000 into $1 million before you retire. So it pretty much will encourage people to buy dividends. A lot of people don't mess with dividends because it's boring, but in my opinion, I think dividend stocks are the best stocks you can get into. Looking over the long-term analytics, they've outperformed everything else because of that dividend compound. Of course, I like the growth stocks and everything else like that. The value plays, the tech stocks, the EVs. I like those too. I do invest in them myself, but the boring dividend stocks are actually the best route to go, in my opinion. So we got Target, PH, Sherwin-Williams. Now, keep in mind, these $5,000 turned into $1 million. This is a ticker SHW. Very, very nice dividend company as well. And they specialize in paint. This is a very well-known brand, a household brand as well. Then we got American States Water, ticker AWR. It's pretty much self-explanatory. And the last one is SPGI, S&P Global. As you can see, it's up over 268% in the last 5 years. Another great dividend stock as well. Next I got for you guys is MP Materials, ticker MP. This is a mining company. They mine some of your precious metals that you need, you know, for a lot of these lithium batteries and stuff like that, iPhones and EV cars and all that types of thing. And they own a large, you know, section of the market in the United States. So definitely a great long-term play. A lot of profitability ahead. Then we got Star Peak Energy Transition, ticker STPK. This is kind of pretty much self-explanatory as well. And this one, this is a sector I see doing very well here in 2021. Then we got Beyond Meat, ticker BYND. Very, very innovative company. They pretty much own this sector of the market when it comes to plant-based foods. They're expanding, you know, it seems like almost every day you're hearing about Beyond Meat expanding into another market, or, you know, going in with partnerships, or I guess you could say franchising their plant-based meat out to other major companies and fast food companies, pizza places and things of that nature. So definitely a nice long-term play, as I see this sector, you know, steady growing as more people are being educated and making aware of the benefits of eating plant-based products. And not only that, you know, that it tastes like similar to the real thing. So next we have Peloton, ticker PTOM, another great growth play. And they do you know, pretty much home workout equipment, and they mix it with technology so you can get like a personal instructor right there on the screen as you're running on the treadmill, you know, kind of motivate you and things of that nature. Then we got Uber, ticker UBER, another great growth play. A very innovative company, great fundamentals, great profitability. And this is just a ride sharing app, technology company. I'm sure everybody knows what Uber is. You go on the app, get your Uber, get you a ride anywhere you're trying to go, pay a fee. Then we got Starbucks, ticker SBUX, another great dividend play. They have a mass amount of market share in this sector when it comes to coffee. Very, very well known brand. Probably the best, probably Starbucks and Folgers are the the best coffee. I wouldn't say the best coffee, but the most well-known coffee brands in the United States. Next we got CRM, Salesforce. This one here is a great play, and it is at a very great discount right now, as it has been since the correction hasn't recovered. So very nice price on this one. Then we got Facebook, ticker FB. This is going to be one of the biggest companies in the world. It's already one of the tech giants. They have Instagram, WhatsApp, Oculus, which is you know, the 3D gaming, virtual reality stuff. Everybody that I know uses Facebook, or has a Facebook, or knows about Facebook, and uses Instagram. So definitely very profitable here as well. Next we got Splunk, ticker SPLK. This one had a nice day today as well. Then we got Amazon, ticker AMZN. Amazon has pretty much monopolized the market, as they do anything from logistics to pharmaceuticals to grocery stores, fresh foods, delivery. I mean, Amazon does it all, and pretty much at this point they can't lose. So definitely a great place to put your money as well. Then we got good old Google, Class A, Class C. You're using one of Google's platform by watching YouTube. You got Google search engine. Everybody uses Google. Everybody knows what it is. Very, very profitable company. Very innovative. Great fundamentals as well. So definitely a nice long-term play for your money here at Google. Next, we got Microsoft, ticker MSFT. Once again, major tech company. And the reason why I'm showing you guys techs are because these were beaten down during the correction. But if you're watching where the money goes and where it's shifting, today showed some promise with the techs. The tech stocks making a comeback. You know, they're not going nowhere. A lot of people panic sold and got out. But if you had diamond hands, you're going to end up making more money than you could have lost. You know what I mean? Your profit to loss ratio is massive. So shouts out to the people that held on to the tech stocks that they had and, you know, rode the volatility. Then we got 3M, ticker MMM, great industrial company, very solid dividend company, very profitable as well, great fundamentals. Can't say enough good things about 3M. Then we got Apex Technology, ticker APXT. I do have some faith in this one that's going to make a nice run up. Price target's about 18-20 bucks. So you're going to face some volatility with this one, but if you hold it, you'll see the returns. Then we got CrowdStrike Holdings, ticker CRWD. This is a defensive play. They got a lot of government contracts, a very profitable company, so definitely a great long-term hold. Then we got Home, ticker HOME, At Home. This is one of the most underrated stocks in the market. Super profitable, great earnings. I mean, they do it all. It's just they don't get any love from Wall Street, and that's why I continue to invest in this one, as I have seen some nice gains here. Then we got BNGO, Bionano Genomics company. Great play here. This sector of the market has been booming, and I do expect it to continue as technology and genetics, editing, and all that type of stuff just keeps developing day after day. Then we got Palantir Technologies, ticker PLTR. This is also another cloud-based company, defensive company, cybersecurity company. Very profitable, a lot of government contracts locked in for long term. So this was definitely going to be a nice grower. Then we got Cisco Systems, ticker CSCO, another great dividend stock. Then we got Butterfly Network, ticker BFLY. This is more risky, more volatile. It's in the medical sector, and I believe the devices they're coming out with, you know, if they stick, you're gonna see some massive gains in this one. I wouldn't load the boat on it, but I would build a nice small position just for some insurance purposes. Then we got BAC, Bank of America, great financial stock. Financials are going to do very well in 2021. JP Morgan's my favorite, JPM, but I also do like Bank of America, and you know, I added it here to the watch list to buy some more of it. Then we got ticker APHA. We got Life, ticker LIFE, another medical company. Then we got ticker MU, technology. Then we got Twitter, TWTR, social media platform. CEO Jack Dorsey. Everybody knows about Twitter, knows what it does. Very profitable, innovative company as well. Now we're going to look at two stocks that I just bought. We bought Comstock Resources Inc., which is a penny stock, ticker CRK. In the stash account, purchased $3 worth it. It's probably a little bit over half a share. And then we got some BNGO. We got about a half a share of this one as well. So those are the two stocks I bought today. Those are the stock picks for you guys. Do your due diligence. Look at these stocks. Look at these sectors I talked about. Think about get you some dividend plays for that passive income. And, you know, even think about some crypto. You know, Polkadot, VeChain, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Binance token, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV. I mean, it's a lot of them out there. Tezos, Ripple, Stellar. That'll conclude the video. I appreciate you guys tuning in, as I will catch you in the next one. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell. I'd really appreciate that.